guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Alheri Ebenezer, a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Today's video is in collaboration with DNVLOGSLIFE. DN stands for Discovering Natural, and she is a YouTuber based in USA. She has two beautiful daughters. DN stands for Discovering Natural. She has a YouTube channel dedicated, to that. So if you're looking forward to, how to take care of your natural hair, that channel is a go for you, okay? I will link her YouTube channel below, so you go subscribe to her YouTube channel, okay? Let's support each other. So today's video is a cooking video. Actually, we're doing a 3 recipe puff puff, okay? In this lockdown, you can make use of even just the little things you have at home. So if you want to learn how to make this puff puff, keep on watching. So here we'll leave it for 40 minutes and then we'll come back and fry. So it should be ready by now. Let's take this off. We're done, okay? So let's have a taste. This is delicious. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.